Hi guys, this is a monthly love reading for Capricorn and this is for October 2020. And guys, this is a general reading, so take it as it resonates, okay? It may or may not resonate with everybody, and energies can be vice versa, so please keep that in mind. Cross watchers, you guys are also very much welcome, and subscribers, please, those who have subscribed, thank you so much. Those who haven't, please take a minute and do so. And you can also follow me now on Instagram and in Facebook. And thank you so much for watching my videos and liking them. All right, now messages for Capricorn, please. What are the messages for Capricorn? Okay, messages for Capricorn. What are the messages for Capricorn for October 2020? Sixth chakra, Archangel Metatron. Clearly talks about your intuition. So I really feel that you are in sync with the universe. This is all about you getting all the information in your life. This is all about, I really feel that you have this intuition which is keeping you aware that whatever is happening, whatever things are happening, I really feel that you have a knowledge of it before that even happens. I had a friend who told me the same thing. She's also Capricorn. She told me that she's getting downloads, which means that she's getting information without, before even it's really happening. So I really feel that she's like awakening, or somebody's really feeling like they are awakening here. Most probably there is awakening here with the sixth chakra here. All right, messages for Capricorn, please. Messages for Capricorn. Messages for Capricorn, please. There is action here. Somebody is taking an action regarding a love situation. So I really feel that there is an awakening here. There is an understanding here. There is an information which has been downloaded into yourself. I really feel that this is a divine download happening, and you're feeling that you are being awakened here. You're getting all the information you need here, and you are acting on it. You are moving forward towards a new love offer here with the fourth chakra, which is your heart chakra. This also means that there is a new love offer coming your way, guys, or you might be offering somebody your heart, right? Your love. Let's see, excuse me. Messages for Capricorn, please. What are the messages for Capricorn? Door to value. So this, you might feel that this might be really valuable to you, or this person is really valuable, or this offer is something which the other person can't resist. Door to personal healing and happiness, so which means that you're moving towards a spiritual path. There is healing here, and I really feel that you're moving towards a major phase of your life here. All right, more messages for Capricorn. What are the messages for Capricorn in love for October 2020? Capricorn, messages for Capricorn, please. What are the messages for Capricorn for October 2020? Messages for Capricorn. What are the messages for Capricorn for October 2020? Messages for Capricorn, please. What are the messages for Capricorn for October 2020? We have, oh my God, same place again, starting off a reading. Knowledge, intuition, third eye opening. You are seeing through the bullshit. I feel that you're getting all the information you need from the divine directly. Sita, she is epitome of, I really feel that she's more courageous than most of. She's a god incarnation. She is somebody who is very, very down to earth kind of an energy, very grounded, very loving, very caring kind of a mother figure. For me, Sita is all about truth, right? Wisdom, staying grounded, right? More of that earth energy, nurturing energy, right? She's all about pure intentions, pure heart, right? She knows her. I really feel that you might be realizing that there is some kind of somebody is there in your life who's being very pure hearted, very nurturing kind of a person in your life. She is the epitome of sacrifices. So she's also all about love and devotion, right? Now we have Brahma here, so somebody is realizing that there is so much of devotion for somebody here. You might be realizing that, and there is the Brahma, which means a creator. So you might be creating something here, and this is a card which is coming on a regular basis, which means that this is cutting off those negative things from your life and moving towards more spiritual energy here. Prana, life. It's all about understanding things. You are being aligned with the divine here, with the prana energy here. Prana is all about life force. So I really feel that you are divinely aligning yourself. I really feel that these cards are absolutely beautiful. Capricorn, messages for Capricorn. More messages for Capricorn. We have conclusions are within reach. A fiery climax approaches. Full moon in Aries, and you and your loved ones are safe. I am feeling that there is a huge realization here. There is spiritual awakening here. More clear understanding of your things in your life, right? And cutting off unwanted things in your life and being in alignment with the universe. So which means that you are directly getting the downloads from the universe. Wow, this is beautiful. A new romantic cycle begins. Somebody new coming into your life, bringing balance into a situation. New moon in Libra. This might be a Libra, or you have Libra in your charts, or they do. All right. Let's see one more message, please. Capricorn. Wow. Start is beautiful, right? The reading is absolutely beautiful. Believe in the impossible. This card talks about the blue moon, which means that anything can happen, which means that if you are feeling that there's something impossible, you might feel that things can't happen. So I really feel that you should expect impossible things to happen in your life. Be open, right? I really feel that you should be open to new ideas here, which might even feel like it's impossible here. Now let's get into tarot. Pull more cards for you. All right. Messages for Capricorn. So I really feel like this is huge spiritual changes coming towards you. Okay, this is all about your intuition and bringing about change into your present situation. All right. October might be a huge month for Capricornians. I really feel so. Now let's see. Princess of Cups and Prince of Cups. Messages coming towards you guys. This is somebody bringing you that passionate messages towards you. They might need a fresh start with you guys. You might have thought that this person might not come through. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. This might somebody wants to come towards, give you that cup of love and want to start a new beginning with you. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and Prince of Swords. Somebody is charging towards you, bringing that clarity of thoughts into your life. So there is communication here. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini energy. Okay, this is a young energy here. And we have the High Priestess. Oh my God. Intuition. You have... Listen to your intuition, guys. Listen to your gut feeling, all right? You are being really guided by the divine. 3 cards clearly talking about intuition here, all right? Let's see. Messages for Capricorn. What are the messages for Capricorn for October in love? Love messages for Capricorn for October. Love messages for Capricorn for October. Love messages for Capricorn for October, please. Okay, love messages for Capricorn. What are the messages for Capricorn for October? 7 of Pentacles. So it looks like a slow growth here. So things might be coming towards you more slowly than you expected. So I really feel that you need to be a bit patient here. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn coming through. That is your energy, or you might be expecting slow changes in your life. And the Princess of Pentacles. So there is a movement towards a fresh start here. All right. This might be a long-term relationship. This might be a starting of something very, very huge. All right. Capricornians. Beautiful reading, guys. Let's see. Messages. We have 7 of Swords. Somebody's strategizing here. Somebody's putting all the effort into thinking or finding ways to come towards you here with the 7 of Swords. How to communicate, how to get about, get your attention here. Ace of Wands. This is the start of something more passionate. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. This is a new offer coming towards you, right? Or they may be finding a way to come towards you, bring that offer towards you, all right? Capricorn, messages for Capricorn, yes. Two of Swords. So somebody's not sure. It might be you or it might be them. You might feel that you have multiple options, or you might have two options here, and you are stuck. You are at a crossroads here. You do not know which road to take here. All right. What's the base of the spread? 5 of Cups. Okay. So I really feel that you are stuck, because I really feel that you might have went through a situation where it was like heartbreaking situation. Might have been in, you are still in a place. I really feel that you are still in a place of healing, right? All right. Let's clarify the Prince of Cups here. All right. Somebody coming towards you, bringing that cup of love for you. New love offer coming your way. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Prince of Cups. Clarify the Prince of Cups, please. Star. Somebody is hoping for a new beginning with you, or this might be even an Aquarius. Prince of Cups with the Star. Clarify the Prince of Cups with the Star. Prince of Cups with the Star here. Clarify the Prince of Cups with the Star. Okay, fiery, passionate messages coming towards you from an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Alright, there are messages coming towards you guys, bringing a fresh new start here. Now, Princess of Cups. This is all about new beginnings, understanding and healing, and this brings about huge love. This is the start. This is the beginning of something huge, guys. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Again, Princess of Cups messages, love messages coming towards you guys. Yeah, somebody wants to start over. You might be taking a leap of faith in a situation regarding this love, right? Why is the Fool here? Clarify the Fool. Why is the Fool here? Why is the Fool here? Clarify the Fool. What's it? Alright, Fool. Why is the Fool here? Clarify the Fool with the Princess of Cups. Clarify the Fool with the Princess of Cups, please. Clarify the Fool with the Princess of Cups. Seven of Cups. So you are taking a leap of faith. You have multiple options. Maybe that is the reason you are stuck here. So I feel that you are taking a leap of faith into... There's multiple opportunities. You are trying to choose something. We have the Ten of Cups here. I really feel that you need to choose from multiple opportunities to go to that Ten of Cups energy here. I really feel that you're choosing what's best for you to bring that stability in love here, alright? Now, Prince of Swords. Why is the Prince of Swords here? Clarify. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini energy. Somebody coming towards to tell you how they feel about you. They want an equal give and take in a situation, or you do. So this person coming in your life is bringing some kind of stability into your life, stability or balance into your life. And we have the Wheel here. So there are changes here. Once this person comes in, there are huge changes coming towards you. Brings an ending of a cycle with the Wheel card, alright? Let's see, High Priestess. So there is intuition at play here. I feel that you're being divinely guided here. 3 cards clearly saying that listen to your intuition. Excuse me. High Priestess. Clarify the High Priestess, please. Why is the High Priestess here? Why is the High Priestess here? You have all the knowledge here, right? Listen to your gut feeling, guys. You have that beautiful intuition. You have all the information you need to act. So I feel that the High Priestess is here to clearly tell you that things are going to go well here. Why is the High Priestess here? Clarify the High Priestess. First, you need to trust your intuition, alright? That's when things happen. Why is the High Priestess here, please? So you might be expecting messages from somebody here with the 8 of Wands here. So you know that there are messages coming towards you. And we have the 8 of Swords and Judgment. So I really feel that with these messages coming in, you know that there is 8 and 8 here. So somebody is still stuck on you, and this brings some kind of revelation here. Judgment, huge wake-up call here. So you might be stuck, or they are. So this message is coming towards you will clarify, or you will feel that there's some kind of a decision has to be made, or you know that this person is going to come back and it's going to, there's communication open here. All right, this might be because they have realized what you think, what, okay, wait. I really feel that you might be intuitively connected to the other person, and they might feel that energy, they might feel your energy within them or around them, which prompts them to, you know, text you or message you or communicate with you. Yeah. Seven of Pentacles. Why is the Seven of Pentacles here? Seven of Pentacles is a slow moving energy, slow growth here. Five of Pentacles, so which means that you're moving towards slow growth here. You might have been left out in the cold by somebody here, or this is a person who has left you and you're still in the place of moving slowly, right? And you're moving slowly towards the Four of Wands here, celebration and stability here. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, but I really feel that you are not trusting it, or you're finding it difficult to see things more clearly here with the Two of Swords, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini energy. Now, Princess of Pentacles. Why is the Princess of Pentacles? There is an offer coming towards you, or you will be making them an offer. Yeah, we have this Three of Swords here, clearly saying that because of this heartache, somebody's not trusting you. You might have left them out in the cold, and somebody might have taken time off from this situation where there was some kind of a heartbreak. So you might be texting them or messaging them. You might be spying on them, or they might be doing it. And I really feel that you are ready for a new, you feel like you can start over. So there was an ending, and I really feel that you might want to go back to them because you might feel that they are the one. There was a series of heartbreak situation, and somebody have taken a time out, or somebody might have put you on a time out. Virgo energy. And they're trying to tell you, there is some kind of communication. I really feel that somebody mustn't have told you exactly how they think or feel about you, or they might be stalking your social networking sites, hoping for a new opportunity with your Empress. They want something new with you, or you want something new with them. All right. Oof, too much. Now, Seven of Swords. Somebody's strategizing here. Same energy here. Somebody's trying to find a way to come back to you for that new beginning here. Yeah. Sagittarius energy, Temperance energy. So they are being very patient. They are trying to balance the situation here. Five of Wands. Because they know that you guys had a fight or some kind of disagreement in the past, which was really, really fiery, and you do not know how to go about it. Why is the Five of Wands here? Clarify the Five of Wands. So they are being sneaky because they are not sure how to come towards you and tell you how they feel about you. They want a new beginning, but they are not sure because you had a bad fight, there was a breakup, and somebody was left alone in the cold. So somebody is making a decision here, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, and they are ready to come towards you. I really feel that they are coming towards you, bringing that offer here with the Ace of Cups here, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces here. Now, Ace of Wands. This is a passionate new beginning here. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. Why is the Ace of Wands here? Clarify the Ace of Wands. This is starting of something very, very passionate here, alright? Why is the Ace of Wands here? Clarify the Ace of Wands. Six of Cups. So I really feel that there are memories, nostalgia here. I really feel that you might be thinking about them, or they might be thinking about you. There is a connection here. There is a strong bond here. I really feel that there is igniting of passion and them coming. So let's see. Two of Swords. Alright. So there is a major indecision with the Two of Swords here, because you might feel that things are moving very slowly here with the Seven of Pentacles energy. Now, Two of Wands. Somebody is not sure about it. Somebody is having double thoughts about it. Capricorn. So you are addicted to this person. They are not sure about it because you are taking things very slowly, or there was some kind of a situation which has broken you apart. There was a breakup here. You had severe fights. You had a very bad fight. You feel that you are addicted to them, or you might have separated because of some kind of an old habit, or you might be addicted to something here. Why is the Two of Wands here with the Seven of Pentacles? Page of Wands. There's messages coming towards you guys, bringing a new offer here because somebody has left the situation. This might be somebody new as well. So I really feel that the person who's coming in might be somebody new. who wants a new relationship with you. And the person in the past, they might be coming in, but they are not sure, so they might be leaving the situation. They might be moving on towards something new here. All right. This is a new offer. All right. I really feel that this is a new offer coming in for you guys, or you might be offering them stability in your situation. And I really feel that it's time for you to take some break here. I really feel that you're too much into your head here. Capricorn, I really feel that you need to check. I really feel that it's time for you to focus on yourself and bring some clarity into your thoughts. So much of energy which is like spread all over. I really feel that it's not just you, it's you're confusing the other person as well. I really don't find that you have clarity or they do, which means that this is all over the place. There is no clear clarifications or there is no clear messages here. All right, I really feel that you are in between thoughts. Somebody is not trusting you here. I really feel that somebody is not trusting you because they feel that you're taking things so very slowly, and I really feel that they do not know. This is the romance of a lifetime, true love. So let's see. Pull some more messages out for you guys. I feel that card actually very soon. So I really feel that I knew this. There are addictions here, and I really feel that they have left you because of this addictions here, or maybe you're controlling the situation too much. This is a true love here, okay? It is safe for you to love. Open your heart and give and receive the highest energy of all. I really feel that you need to communicate very, very properly, and you need to ask for something which is really what you really want. I really feel that you are not even sure what you really want, which is confusing the other person as well. Now, give your relationship a chance. It clearly says that work on your partnership. It's about communication to and fro, not just you deciding what you want or they deciding what they want. Come together, communicate properly, and make a decision here. First of all, you need to be sure. I told you, you're not sure about your how to move forward or what you really want, so you're confused in the first place. You are confusing them as well. So I really feel that you need to take time and understand what you really want to do. Right? There are children involved in your situation, so maybe that's one of the reasons the other person have to leave. There is codependency, which means that there is addictions here, which is definitely affecting your love relationship with this person. There are multiple opportunities here, right? There are multiple people coming in, but I really feel that you're stuck with one person in your head and you're moving on with the other person, creating so much of confusion here. All right, Capricorn, this is your October monthly love reading. All right, I really hope it resonated. If it did, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. Take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.